Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to compare fractions with the same denominator or numerator. First, let's recall what fractions are. What do we get when we divide one whole into two equal parts? We get 2 halves. We can also divide one whole into 3 equal parts to get 3/3. For equal parts to get 4/4. 5 equal parts to get 5/5. 6 equal parts to get 6/6. 7 equal parts to get 7/7. 8 equal parts to get 8/8, and so on. Now, let's compare fractions which have the same denominator. Which is bigger? 2/7 or 5/7? Pause and discuss with your friends. Five over 7 is greater than 2/7 since it is longer. Now, let's compare 3/7 and 4/7. Which fraction is bigger? 4/7 is greater since it is longer. Now, let's compare 1/8 and 3/8. Which fraction is greater? Pause and discuss with your friends. One over 8 and 3/8 have the same denominator, 8. So, we compare their numerators. 3/8 has a bigger numerator, so it is the greater fraction. We can compare the two fractions using this symbol, which means 3/8 is greater than 1/8. Now, let us compare fractions that have the same numerator. In these three fractions, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8, which is the greatest? 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8 have the same numerator, 1. So, we compare their denominators. 1/2 has the smallest denominator. This means the whole is divided into the least number of parts, so it is the greatest fraction. 1/8 has the biggest denominator. This means the whole is divided into the most number of parts, so it is the smallest fraction. We can use symbols to show that 1/2 is greater than 1/4, which is greater than 1/8. So, 1/2 is the greatest fraction, followed by 1/4, and then 1/8. Today we have learned how to compare fractions with the same denominator or numerator. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.